today, oh, it's like a mic. I just unboxed this light stick 3 days ago. 3 days later, my album arrived. So for today, I'm going to unbox the 아름답고 환호래 Drunk-Dazed Border Carnival. Why is it so hard to pronounce? The Border Carnival albums. The box is so big. I feel like it's just the same sizes as other albums, but it's bigger than I thought. Nothing. It's just white. Oh my god. It's the album. Of course it is. Let's go. The fact that this arrived first before Border Day 1, it's okay. Oh, the one I saw at the bookstore was not down. It's up version, the blue one. It's as big as my face. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Right? Oh my god, this is so pretty. Let's unbox Hype now. Okay, by the way, I'm manifesting for Jungwon's Photocard. Of course you're manifesting for your bias Photocard, right? Okay, I didn't ask that much, but I went out of 3 of it for every, like, 3, there's 2 Photocard and 1 Lenticular card. Give me at least 1 Jungwon, please. Just 1 is enough for me, because I like all members, so I don't care if I got any of the members, but at least I want Jungwon. At least 1. Give me answer. If you don't want to give me, just at least give me 1. I like him. Thank you. He's my man. He's my boo. He's my top. He's so cute. I want him and want him too. Oh, how do I open this? Oh! Wow. Wait, is it Photocard? Okay. Oh my god, why are they placing the Photocards there? Why are they placing the Photocards there? It should be in the Photobook, but no, it's not in the Photobook. Like, okay, again, I'm sorry. Seriously, I want to put the Photocards in the Photobook. Oh, that is it? How do I?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어.
Place it there. No? Nothing? Okay. Naked! My cat. Oh my god, how can my cat look this good? If I'm reincarnated in the future, I want to look as good as my cat. It looks this good while eating grapes. This is my favorite. I like this. Let's look at the poster first, or okay, what is this? Is this a book? Oh, there we go. In the selling hours of dress, drawers, here, the land of the rebel, Paris. Yeah, feel like I'm paradise. Yeah. 아름답고 환호래 반짝이는 내가 막은 잠온 끝이 없는 세계 얼음 같은 눈, 까무른 눈빛 breaking me into 나를 흔들지 너 때문에 이대로 말해버릴 세상 기대하나 어떤 내게 세우라고 할 수 없는 것들을 가르쳐 Base This is let's just see what oh my god oh my god who is the first photocard I'll pull? I don't want to manifest. Okay, this is it. This is it. It's not option code, right? Wait, let me guess. I think I saw it. I think I wait. You know, there's so many lights right here. There's so many lights. I can see them. Stop laughing. I think it is, or it's not. I think it is. Wait. It's not. I think it is, but I think it's not.
사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어 어쩌다 우리 여기까지 알 수 없는 내 맘은 아직 ING
So for those who say I'm not meant to be with him, my friends, I am meant to be with him. Especially Karina, I'm meant to be with him. So stop asking me to stop Jungwon-ing. Jungwon-ing? Okay. I'm so happy. Imagine, this is my first ever. I cannot die. I have to meet them first. I just want this friend. Okay, I don't care anymore if there's no Jungwon. I don't care, but I got one already. How do I place this in my heart? I don't want to put it down. I put it beside Enhypen. Next. Oh, this is the lenticular card. Okay, lenticular card first. Wait. Oh, no, it's not the lenticular. Wait. Oh no, it's the signature. I recognize their signatures because I use their signatures for my schoolwork. Use their signatures. So I know their signatures. Who is it? Is it like this? I don't know. My cat! Wait, it's cat day today. Happy cat day. Ah, I like this. Oh, it's like this. Oh, okay. Nikki and Jungwon. Next one, Swanwoo, I guess. It's like this, the age. Oh wait. I forgot the mark name is Nikki. What is this? 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 I didn't know this exists in this album. What is this? Is it a bookmark? Bookmark? What is it? Oh. Last one. One last bit. it? Okay, let's look at it like this. Oh my god, what's this? I cannot see anything because the stripes show it so hard. My phone case is transparent, so I can just. Oh my god, it is! It is Sonu. You know what? I said I was Jungwon, and then Nikki, I said the next one is Sonu. It's Sonu. Next one, Sonu, I guess. Why is he holding a baby? Why is he holding such a creepy doll? I hate it. I don't want to look at this photocard at night. Oh my god! I like this tree so much. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, yes! The light stick, they don't have this, you know. If I bought a new house later, I wanna use this poster. Wow, it's eyes. No, I mean like, it's so full. I could not even paste my 3 posters. So yeah, this one I just. Mom, I got Jungwon. Jungwon. Oh my hair. I meant to be with him. This is the photograph I want so much. I love you. Please know that. See you later. I'm gonna turn myself into a princess. Okay, so now I'm Princess Yen.
It's up, then it's up, then it's
In the setting hours of dress, drawers, hair, the land of the rebel, pars. Yeah, feel like in paradise. Yeah.